You may think that there isn't a label that can survive the harsh conditions of your food processing plant's washdown cycle. But Brady's ToughWash washdown resistant labels can do just that. They withstand the high heat, caustic chemicals, and abrasive scrubbing of washdown cycles without breaking apart, detaching from equipment, or having the print fade. Protect your workers and your food products with ToughWash washdown resistant labels. Get started today. Request sample labels or learn more by visiting one of our websites.